Hi, what I want to show you today is a grill cast iron pan from Royal Catering. It's actually a very useful and versatile piece of equipment, and I would see it in every kitchen around the world, especially in those where there's no space for an actual grill. This way you can do your steaks with this characteristic griddle pattern. So let me just tell you a couple of things about it. First of all, it's purely made out of cast iron, of course. Heavy duty, quite a thick base. You have griddles, so you can do that characteristic pattern, as I said. It also does have a handle, and it's actually a cool feature because there's a wooden handle, so it doesn't get very hot. It doesn't heat up by itself with the pan, so you can grab it safely, unless it was over a flame, so then be careful. You generally should be, but it won't heat up by itself, and it does have a notch to hang it on, which I find is great. Sometimes it's missing on a kitchen equipment, but you know, it is a cool feature. Many chefs like to hang their pans on a hook next to the stove or somewhere on the wall, so that's actually a cool thing to have. A very cool feature. It will work on pretty much every stove there is, so you can work it on induction stove, electric or gas stoves. Well, it will do the job. You can put it in the fireplace as well. Well, you could. So if you're looking for a grill pan, just have a look at the website. There are some other grill pans and grill pots, so you might find it very useful for your venue. Each and every pan comes with a 3-year warranty, which is great, and the producer made sure they pack it really well because cast iron tends to be brittle, so they put it in a very tough cardboard box, just like this one. As you can see, double cardboard with some extra packaging material in it for extra safety, right, bubble wrap and so on, so nothing should happen to it when it's on the way to your place. Also inside there's an instruction manual. Please have a read because there's a lot of information on how to treat the pan, how to prep it for its first use, how to clean and maintain it, and so on. Talking about cleaning, a very important advice there. Whatever you do, just make sure you chill it after your service before you clean it. Never put a hot pan underneath cold running water because then it may break and it will cause loss of warranty. So this is very specific to cast iron pans. Always chill before you clean it. It's also very important safety advice because it will keep hot for a long time, and in order to avoid burning when you're scrubbing it, just let it chill. Alright, so that's about it. I hope you found it useful. Make sure you leave me some comments if you want me to test some other equipment. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.